Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating simple variables. Confirm the router is powered and cables are tight, then move the PC closer for a quick signal test. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings and run the Network Troubleshooter to capture error codes. While that runs, write down your SSID, password, and the adapter name so you can reconnect if settings are reset. Once done, the troubleshooter often points to driver or IP issues to address next. Next, you update and reset the networking stack to fix persistent disconnects. Open Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated drivers. Then run command prompt as administrator and execute ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, and ipconfig/flushtons to refresh addressing and DNS. If problems continue, run netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset. Finish by verifying power and advanced settings that commonly cause drops. In Device Manager, open your Wi-Fi adapter properties, go to Power Management and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. If instability persists, log into your router and try changing the wireless channel or force 5 GHz or 4 GHz to avoid interference, or assign a short-lived static IP if DHCP is flaky. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a USB Wi-Fi adapter to isolate whether the problem is the internal adapter or the network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.